All right, good morning, you guys. We're going to do our another spelling rule. Our rule for this week is the double rule. We reviewed it on yesterday. We talked about that when you have a vowel consonant team, that you double the consonant and then add the suffix. So like in the word run, you have a vowel and a consonant, so you double the last consonant and add the suffix. So you double the N. Also, when you have a two-syllable word, like begin, and the last syllable is stressed, listen to Miss Cloud say it. Begin. The gin is stressed. You say it a little bit louder and you put a little bit more emphasis on it. So when that last part, the last syllable is stressed, we double the consonant. So in the word begin, we double the N, the last letter, and then add ing. When a two-syllable word is stressed at the beginning, like in listen, we don't double the consonant. So listen to Miss Cloud say listen. Listen. The first syllable is stressed. I say lis a little louder and I put a little more emphasis on it. So I don't double the N. I keep the one N and add ing. Okay? We have two more rules. When a word has a vowel team that's two vowels, double vowel, you do not double the consonant. So like in the word sneak, because there's two vowels together, we don't double the last consonant. So we don't double the K, we just have the one K and add ing. And last rule, when a word ends in two consonants, like in talk, we have consonant, you do not double the last consonant. So we don't double the K, we just take talk and add ing. All right? But we're going to practice these a lot this week. Okay? So I'm going to give you some practice sentences, and I want you with your partners to work together to write the sentences and help each other with the spelling. Now's the time to talk and help each other out. All right? So if you need to rewind or pause or stop the video, you can now to review any of the rules. All right, so get your paper and pencil ready. Number 1, she is running and swinging outside. Number 1, she is running and swinging outside. You have two words in there with a suffix. Number 2, will you be listening and speaking? Number 2, will you be listening and speaking? I'm sorry, number 2, listen again. Will you be listening to me speaking? I'm sorry. Will you be listening to me speaking? And that's got 2 as well. All right, number 3, we are beginning a lesson right now. Number 3, we are beginning a lesson right now. Number 4, are you peeking through the hole? Number 4, are you peeking through the hole? And number 5, the class is walking to PE. The class is walking to PE. All right, so if you need to pause or rewind to hear a sentence again, or pause the video to work with your partners, make sure you all have the same spelling. If you have different spelling, that's fine, but look back at your rules and decide which spelling is correct. Okay? So here's all of your rules, so you can pause it now if you want to look at all your rules and talk about whose spelling would be correct. Okay? All right, so when you're ready, I'm going to show you your sentences. All right, so number 1 was she is running and swinging outside. So we had 2 words. Running is vowel consonant, so we doubled the consonant. Swinging is consonant, so we did not double the consonant. I capitalized my she and I put a period at the end. Will you be listening and speaking? We had 2 words in there. Listening. Now, listening is vowel consonant, but I put it in here because it breaks the rule, and some words break the rule. So that would be one you would need to memorize. Speaking, we do not double the consonant because it's a vowel team. Capitalize my first letter, put a question mark at the end. Number 3, we are beginning a lesson right now. beginning, vowel, consonant, so I doubled my consonant, capitalized my first letter, and put a period at the end. Number 4, are you peeking through the hole? Peeking, vowel team, so I did not double my consonant, capitalize the first letter, and put a question mark. And number 5, the class is walking to PE. Double consonant, so I did not double, or 2 consonants, so I did not double my consonant, capitalize the first letter, and I put a period at the end. Okay? So if you need to pause it right now, you can, to make sure all your sentences are correct. Now, if you have time remaining, then you may go to the Promethean board and do your interactive spelling.